You think you have reached the mountaintop of the gun world because you bolted a $3,000 piece of glass onto a custom carbon fiber rig. The mainstream industry wants you to believe that polymer stocks and mass-produced titanium actions are the ultimate expression of modern hunting perfection. But walking into the woods with a factory-line rifle while calling yourself a connoisseur is like wearing a plastic watch to a high-stakes poker game. You're just broadcasting that you have never seen what real mechanical dominance looks like. The true elite know that the absolute pinnacle of lethal art does not come from a computer-controlled milling machine. It comes from the blood, sweat, and century-old secrets of Austrian masters who forged 5 separate barrels into a single, devastating masterpiece. Stop chasing synthetic trends that will be obsolete in 2 years and prepare to witness the 5 most ridiculously over-engineered, bank account draining Fünfling combination rifles commanding the 2026 market. Good catch. I was just making sure you were paying attention. Let's get right into the heavy hitters, kicking off the list with a technical loophole that earns its spot through sheer terrifying firepower. We have the Fuchs Fine Guns DBR-46, otherwise known as the Russian 5. This is a double-barrel bolt action repeater that was born from a nightmare scenario where a hunter barely survived a simultaneous charge from 3 elephants. The inventor realized that a standard double rifle simply does not hold enough lead when things go completely sideways, so he engineered a solution. Looking under the hood, this beast runs a massive twin bolt assembly that locks into the left and right chambers independently. Instead of a standard feed, it utilizes a highly specialized dual feed system, drawing from an ultra-compact titanium magazine. This mechanism gives you an astonishing 6 rounds of .416 Remington Magnum on tap, 2 in the pipes and 4 in the magazine. Utilizing aerospace-grade titanium is absolutely critical here because it keeps the overall weight down to 9.4 pounds, making it surprisingly manageable for a heavy stopping rifle. Sending that much mass downrange is a violent, earth-shaking experience. The recoil kicks like an angry mule, testing your shoulder socket and your dental work every single time you send it downrange. But honestly, the biggest deal breaker here is going to be the financial impact. Setting you back around $78,000, this rig will completely drain your wallet. Plus, managing that massive twin bolt action requires a very heavy, deliberate throw that can feel stiff and unforgiving if you do not run it with absolute authority. This platform proves that extreme, over-engineered survival tools are alive and well in 2026. It gives you unmatched capacity for the most dangerous game on the planet. This is a solid piece of mechanical art, but wait until you see the absolute monster sitting at number 1. Stepping up the game into true bespoke madness, we have the Johann Fanzoj Grande Complication platform. This Austrian powerhouse takes the concept of a multi-barrel system and turns it into a masterclass of thermal dynamics. The foundation for these builds often crams a 9.3 by 74 R double rifle right alongside a 20-gauge over and under shotgun into a single, breathtaking receiver. Weighing in at exactly 8.3 pounds, it balances beautifully instead of feeling like you are swinging a piece of heavy machinery. Digging into the mechanics, it runs on genuine Holland and Holland style side locks. These side locks utilize intercepting sears, which is a massive advantage because they physically catch the hammer if the gun is dropped, preventing an accidental discharge while still delivering a flawless pull despite the crowded internal geometry. Pulling this trigger feels like snapping a frozen icicle. It is absolutely perfectly tuned. Dumping those heavy rifle rounds delivers a slow, rolling shove to your shoulder, But let's get real about the flaws. The aesthetics and build materials on these heirloom pieces create a huge liability for actual field use. The hand-rubbed Caucasian walnut stock and delicate gold inlays are so pristine that the finish wears off if you just look at it wrong, meaning you will be terrified to drag it through thick brush. Handling 4 independent automatic ejectors all timed perfectly together is an absolute nightmare to engineer, yet Fanzoj makes it look easy. The thermal regulation is also insane, allowing you to fire consecutive shots from hot barrels without shifting your point of impact. I know the purists will claim this belongs in a display case, so sound off below if you would actually risk running a 6-figure piece of art through the mud. Entering the elite tier, we are looking at a piece of absolute history with the Peter Oberhammer antique Fünfling. Built back in the 1890s over in Munich, this mechanical marvel set the standard for cramming 5 barrels into one functional rig. The barrel geometry is wild, stacking a 16-gauge smoothbore at the bottom with 4 rifled tubes in a half circle right above it. It eats 11 by 74 R for heavy work, while also packing a 9.3 by 82 R and twin 9.1 by 51 R barrels. Operating this antique hits you with a blast from the past. The recoil kicks like a swinging vault door when you touch off those heavy black powder era rounds. Trigger-wise, those old-school set triggers break like stepping on thin ice. But let's be real about the deal breaker here, which falls strictly into the ergonomics category. Manipulating that horn underlever opener and manually shifting the external hammer faces is incredibly stiff and clunky by modern standards, meaning your follow-up shots are going to crawl if your hands are freezing out in the woods. Looking at the mechanical insight, the true genius lies in the patented external hammer selector. Instead of relying on fragile internal switches, Oberhammer designed a physical switch on the outside that literally shifts the hammer face to align with different firing pins. This physical shift guarantees reliable sear engagement and ignition across all 5 barrels without overcrowding the receiver. Grabbing this piece of history is not going to be cheap. The damage to your wallet is easily $25,200 just based on recent auction block numbers. Even in 2026, modern gunsmiths are still studying this exact gun to figure out how to master semicircular barrel alignment. Closer to the crown, we have the Peter Hofer Special Fünfling, engineered specifically for the unforgiving European Alpine environment. Hofer is an absolute madman when it comes to miniaturization, pushing the boundaries of what is mechanically possible without relying on mass production machinery. This rig slings 8 by 75 RS downrange from twin barrels for heavy-driven hunts, while also packing a 6.5 by 65 R for extreme distance mountain shots. He even managed to cram a 22 Hornet and a 20-gauge smoothbore in there just to cover every possible scenario, touching off those heavy European rimmed cartridges punches like a heavyweight boxer, letting you know you just sent serious kinetic energy down the pipe. But the trigger on this masterpiece breaks exactly like a glass rod, crisp and utterly predictable every single time. Under the hood, this rifle utilizes a proprietary pinless sidelock mechanism. Instead of drilling standard pins through the receiver to hold the sears and springs, Hofer engineered a system that mounts everything internally. This matters because it completely eliminates external pins that can walk out under heavy recoil, keeping the lockwork sealed from freezing rain while leaving a massive, flawless steel canvas for the master engravers. Honestly, it is a mechanical marvel, but we have to talk about the real-world flaw. The performance quirk here is that this system gets incredibly picky with its diet. It eats premium European match-grade ammunition for breakfast, but if you try to run cheap commercial loads through it, the complex thermal regulation throws a fit and your groups will open up dramatically. Street price is well over $1 million, so you better be ready to pay for the good ammo. Here is the deal. Taking the absolute top spot is the dangerous game configuration of the Peter Hofer Special Fünfling. This is the undeniable king of the Bespoke mountain, engineered specifically to neutralize the biggest, thickest skin threats on the planet. It feeds on twin barrels of 470 Nitro Express for massive stopping power, while also chambering a 7x65, a 5.6x50R Magnum, and a 20-gauge smoothbore. Slinging those massive, dangerous game rounds downrange hits your shoulder like a runaway freight train, delivering terminal performance that will anchor a charging beast right in its tracks. But despite that absolute brutality on your shoulder, the trigger pull is remarkably refined. It breaks cleaner than a snapping carrot, giving you total control when your adrenaline is maxed out. Looking at the mechanical genius of this rig, it utilizes a massive proprietary action featuring a double underlug and a third bite lock-in mechanism. Instead of just locking at the breech face, those heavy underlugs lock directly into the floor of the receiver, while the third bite anchors the top. This matters because it creates an absolute steel vault around the chambers, ensuring that the violent harmonic shock of touching off dual 470 Nitro Express rounds does not completely shatter the delicate internal ejectors of the smaller caliber barrels. Listen, this masterpiece takes the throne for a very specific reason. It gives you the massive, heavy-hitting capability of the No. 5 Fuchs repeater, but completely outclasses it by maintaining the pristine, elegant thermal regulation found in the No. 4 Fanzoj system. It handles extreme internal pressure without bulking up into an unmanageable brick, setting you back easily over $1 million. This is the ultimate no-compromises survival tool for the most dangerous environments on Earth. That wraps up the most insane hardware on the market for 2026. Look, most shooters will never even see one of these 5-barrel platforms in the wild, let alone send lead downrange with one, but understanding the extreme engineering behind these rigs proves that true mechanical dominance is still alive and well. While the rest of the industry races to the bottom with cheap synthetic stocks and stamped parts, the elite European masters are still pushing the absolute limits of steel and physics. If you want the raw truth without the fluff, lock it in right here.